So for the hashtag, we're just going to open up the paper clip, flatten out the little kinks. You can also just do this with your fingers if you like. So at about 3/4 of an inch, I'm going to bend this one to the front. Give it a little bit of a pinch, and then bring this one over to the left. And then bring this one to the front. And then this is like a third, and then there's a third, and then over here we want to bend it back. So bend it back, straight back like that, to the back, pinch it a bit, and then take this, so at the third point there, we're just going to bend it straight down. And then we can pinch it in place. And now we're going to bend that one straight up, but we're going to bend it to the back because we want this line to stay straight across. So we're going to take this, bend it to the back. This is what we have so far, and then take this one, that'll be a third, and then at the other third point we're going to bend this to the back, and then bend this one straight across. Don't worry if it's not perfect thirds. And then we're going to take this one and bend it across those two wires. So this line is straight across and that one's straight across. And then this one we're going to bend to the back. Just take this and bend it straight back. So these are a good size. Now you have a little extra piece here. The ideal would be for it to line up like just inside of there, but it's a little bit long. To fix that, just take it where you want it to snap, hold it, and then just bend it back and forth, and it'll snap right off. And then you can push it right in there and it's going to be flush. For this end here, you want to loop it back to the back here, so just take it about halfway, a little above halfway, and we're going to bend it down. So now you see that's also flush. This little loop here, you can stick it on an earring hook, or you could stick it on a little pendant if you like, or we can make a ring with that. If you want to make it into a ring, just get another straightened paper clip and just wind this one around. I'm just going to loop it around like that. I'm going to loop this first corner up here and close it up. You can even just have it dangle like that, or if you want to attach it down here too, just mark with your finger where you want the loop to be, and then bring this one up and down like that. And then you can hold this and bend it back and forth to snap it. And then we're just going to like open this up a bit, loop it into here, and close this up so that's flush. There's no little space there. Flatten those out if you have to. So it's actually going to hold the top of the hashtag and the bottom. Looks kind of funky on an angle like that, and you can adjust that to the size you need. And there you have your super funky hashtag ring. And if you push these together a little bit more, it's going to end up being a little bit more vertical.